Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on bell icon.
This video is just for educational purposes. The promotion officer content is not our destination. The application are cracked person.
Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to download all paid applications for Android in free using website. First of all, I will teach you how to download Kinemaster Diamond version. It is Diamond version, remember guys. For this you need to go to Chrome and enter the website apkmos.com. It does not require any sign in. Here you can download all the paid applications for free. Now let's search in the search bar Kinemaster, Kinemaster. Search. Tap on search button. Sorry for my orientation screen. Then type Kinemaster Pro. Then the new page will appear and click on the website with the link apkmos.com. Here it is in green color. And now scroll down to the page and click on download application. And your download will begin. Here, click OK. Your download will begin. I have already downloaded it, so I will cancel it. You can download guys. In the same way you can download another applications, many more paid applications using this website for free. In the same way, tap on search bar and type Viva-Video and enter search button and tap on link with apkmos.com. Scroll down here, add, type here Viva-Video VIP and click. In the same way, scroll down to the bottom of page and click on download. Click on OK. It does not harm your device. Okay, I'm cancelling it. You can download many other applications in the same way guys.
Sorry, it's DJ.